Hello friends, so in this video we are going to talk about the JIB May 2021 examination that is going to be held on 2nd May, 9th May and 16th May. So the registration process had already been started starting from the 24th Feb which will end till 21st March. So you were given 3 different slots. In the first slot, suppose you had already filled up the form from 24th to 28th, then again you will have to pay the normal examination fees, but again due to any reason you are unable to complete the same, again you are given opportunity from 1st March to 14th March, but you will have to pay rupees 100 as an extra amount along with the normal fees. Again in the third slot, 15th March to 21st March, you will have to pay normal examination fee plus rupees 200 extra. So looking at the examination date, you can see that here 3 different dates are there. As you all are aware that in December 2020 JIB examination, the examination were conducted in the 2 weeks, means the first Saturday and the next Saturday Sunday consecutively. So that was because the examination was being postponed since a long time due to COVID-19 pandemic. So again the IIBF has come to its normal course, and you can see that in the first paper principal practices of banking is there, 9th accounting and finance for bankers, and on 16th you are having legal and regulatory aspects. So while completing the registration process, what you will get an option of time. So a time slot is there, which time you are comfortable with, but again on a particular time there are limited number of seats, and that is because of the COVID-19 pandemic, a limited seats had been put up to maintain the social distancing norms. So what you can see that you are having only 2 months left. So I think that you might have started preparing for examination. So friends, I think that if you have not started yet, then don't wait for time to get exhausted, but again you can start preparing. And on the JIB node, what I could say that I am going to upload some videos regarding the JIB examination. So get subscribe my channel so that you can get the real-time notification and don't miss any video, because in this video I am going to cover the MCQ questions. Again there is a pattern like the memory recalled questions, which is very important, which plays a very important role to clear the examination. So this was basically the examination pattern that is going to be held in May. Again the date for November 2021 examination has been also announced. So you can see over here that the registration process will start from 1st of September to 7th. This is the normal examination fee course, but it will end till 30th September as in the same which I described above. So again you can see on 7th November, 14th November and 21st November you are having paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3. So if you can see the fee, the first attempt, suppose this is the first time attempt of yours, then you will have to pay 2700 during the normal first tenure period plus GST amount. Again in the second attempt fee you will have to pay rupees 1300, third and fourth same amount. So talking about the syllabus, you can see that let us download the syllabus so that I can explain you in detail, and I can put some focus about the important topics you can go through in this 2 months. So let us wait a few moments so that the syllabus would appear in front of you. So here if you go through the syllabus, you will see that let us show you the complete details. See, this is the paper 1. So principle and practices of banking. So what you have to do, you can see the paper 1 and paper 3, the preparation are being done simultaneously, because a lot of topics, or you can say, are being common in nature. So let us make a brief review. That is the principal practices you are having: Indian financial system, an overview, banking regulation is there, retail banking, money market, then again role of SEBI, factoring, forfeiting, a very important topic because JIB ask a lot of questions from this topic. Again, risk management, Basel 3 norms, you can say. Civil, you just have a brief idea about this topic. KYC, AML, again the Consumer Protection Act, Consumer Protection, COPRA, Ombudsman. So again, ancillary services, principle of lending, government sponsored scheme. So these all topics I will start covering one gradually. So get connected to my channel so that you could get benefited. So in the paper 2 accounting finance, the most tough, the students generally say that this is the most toughest part of the JIB examination, but it is not so, because a lot of students are from the non-commerce background, so it appears like that. But again, you are in the banking examination, so once you go through the syllabus or examination pattern, you will find that after practicing you are being comfortable and you will not face a lot of difficulty in solving the question. So again, you will have to cover interest, annuities, YTM, yield to maturity, then again capital budgeting is there, depreciation, now foreign exchange arithmetic. Again in the module B you are having accounting procedures, cash subsidiary, then bill of exchange is there, balance sheet, a more important topic is there, then ratio analysis, company accounts, then banking operations. So this is the paper 2. Paper 3 we talk about legal framework. As I had already been told that paper 1 and paper 3 are a bit correlated to each other. So in paper 3 you will have to put an extra effort to learn the sections, not all but selected one. And again legal framework which constitutes RBI Act, Banking Regulation Act, rule of RBI, again the regulation of banking business, returns inspection, winding up, merger acquisition, merger of banks is in news, so again an important topic it becomes. Then public sector banks, cooperative banks, legislative reforms. So here you can see indemnities, bank guarantees, letter of credit. So I will discuss each and every topic in detail so that you should not face any difficulty in contract is there, law of limitation, important topic. The last model is very important because that question came from each and every line of Macmillan, you can say. So again the FEMA Act is there, Prevention PMLA Act. So these are basic the examination pattern. Again admit card you can download by logging into the portal. After completing the transaction, go to the portal, get to the admit card section, and you can generate your admit card simultaneously the slot as you had filled in the registration process. So this was the basic details of IABF JIB March not, it's a May 2021 examination. So again let's start soon for the JIB courses. So it will be free of cost, you will not have to pay. So again I would urge that you should subscribe my channel so that once I start uploading the video you get the real time notification and it will add to your normal preparation and give a boost to that. So with this I am going to end my video. All the best to all the preparing candidates. Thank you.